Complete payroll setup and processing in HRMS. To begin, click the Attendance menu item to access employee attendance tracking and management. Following this, click the Manual Attendance button to record employee attendance entries manually. From here, enter the employee name or ID to search and select them. From here, select Roshan Lakhani to record attendance for this employee. Next up, enter the clock in time to record when the employee started work. Record the clock out time when the employee leaves the office. Following this, click the Create Attendance button to save the attendance record. From here, access the Salary Structure module to configure employee compensation and benefits. After that, click the Calculate button to compute salary structure and allowance details. Following that, click the Cancel button to close the Salary Calculator dialog window. Next, click the Edit icon to modify the standard salary structure details and settings. Afterwards, enter the percentage value for the basic salary allowance calculation. Following that, enter 30 in the percentage field for house rent allowance. Now enter 1,600 in the fixed amount field for transport allowance. Next, enter the PF employee contribution percentage in the employee percent field. Next, enter the maximum basic limit amount in this field for PF deduction calculations. Following that, enter the employee ESI percentage value in the employee field. Afterwards, enter the employer ESI percentage value in the input field. Following this, enter the maximum gross limit value for ESI deduction calculations. Then, click the Update button to save all salary structure changes and configurations. Following that, click the Tax Master menu item to access tax configuration settings. Next, click the Edit icon to modify the selected tax configuration details. Afterwards, enter the maximum salary amount of 9,000 in the max salary field. After that, enter the fixed amount of 80 rupees for the tax slab configuration. Next, enter the maximum salary limit of 12,000 in the max salary field. Next up, click the Edit icon to modify the tax configuration details as needed. Now enter the tax name in the tax name field to identify this configuration. From here, set the end date for the tax configuration period in the Date field. Following this, explore the Tax Slabs configuration section on the right side panel. Afterwards, enter the maximum salary amount in the Max Salary field. From here, click Update Configuration to save all tax configuration changes and settings. Next up, click the Holiday Management menu item to access holiday scheduling. Afterwards, click the Add Holiday button to create a new holiday entry. Next up, enter the holiday name in the holiday name text field. Afterwards, enter the holiday date in the Date field using the required format. Afterwards, select the Type dropdown to choose the holiday category from available options. Following that, enter an optional description in the Description text area field. After that, click the Create Holiday button to save the new holiday entry. Then, click the View icon to display detailed information about the holiday. Now click the Payroll menu item to access payroll management and processing features. Next up, click the Generate Payroll button to create and process payroll records. Next, click the Generate button to process payroll for November 2025. Next, click the View Details button to examine the payroll record information. Following this, click the Expand arrow to view additional employee payroll details. After that, click the drop-down arrow to expand employee details for Nancy Ramirez. Following that, click the Action button to open payroll details for Roshan Lakhani's record. Next, click the Close button to dismiss the salary slip modal window. Following this, click the action icon to view or download employee payroll records. Following that, click the Employees menu item to view employee records and management options. Then click the Edit icon to modify Roshan Lakhani's employee information and details. Next, click the Tax Declaration tab to proceed with employee tax information. Afterwards, check the PT applicable checkbox to enable professional tax deductions for this employee. Following that, navigate to the Payroll section to manage employee salary and compensation. Next, click the Delete button to remove this payroll record from the system. Following that, click on Delete Payroll. Next up, click on Generate Payroll. Click on Generate. Click on the icon. Once that's done, click on the icon.